Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Open the Measure app on your iPhone running iOS 12 or later. Hold your phone steady and let the camera initialize to AR mode. Move your iPhone slowly until a white circle or dot appears on screen. Keep the scene well lit and avoid reflective surfaces for best accuracy. If the app prompts, wave your phone gently in a figure eight to calibrate sensors. Once calibrated, the app will show a yellow dot for placement and ready to measure. Aim the yellow dot at the object start point and tap the plus button. Move the phone smoothly along the object to the end point without sudden jerks. Tap the plus button again to end the measurement and lock the reading. Check the unit setting in the top corner to choose inches or centimeters before measuring. For angled objects, take multiple short segments and add values for better accuracy. Tap the photo shutter to save a measurement image into photos for documentation and sharing. Use the level tool inside Measure to check flat surfaces and calibrate to 0 degrees before cutting or mounting. For rectangular surfaces, align the camera until the app shows automatic rectangle detection and tap to capture width and height. Remember, AR measurements vary with distance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.